Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, we're given the distance from Earth to the nearest star, and it's given in terms of light years. It's 4.2 light years, and what we want to know is how can we express that same distance, that same delta x, in terms of meters instead. Because light years, even though it has year in the term, is actually a measurement of distance, not time. So first of all, we should just consider the definition of velocity, which is a change in distance over a change in time. And in our case, we're dealing with light, and we know that light travels at constant speed c. So if we want to solve for delta x, we can rearrange this into delta x equals c delta t. And what the expression light years tells us is that this delta t here is 4.2 years. So all we have to do is express that in terms of seconds and multiply by our speed of light, which is in meters per seconds, and we'll be left with an expression for delta x in terms of meters. So we have delta x equals c delta t equals, let's see, that's 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per seconds for speed of light, times our delta t, which is 4.2 years. And now let's convert years into seconds. So we know there's 365 days in a year. We know that there's 24 hours in a day. We know that there's 60 minutes in an hour. And we know that there's 60 seconds in a minute. So if we follow our units here, you'll see that our years cancel out, days cancel out, hours cancel out, minutes cancel out, and then these seconds cancel out. So what we're left with, if we plug this into a calculator, is delta x equals 3.973 times 10 to the power of 16 meters. And that's your answer.